What's up guys? Welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm going to unbox the world's most powerful combo for RC cars. Now this is the MGM 800 Amp ESC, and this package is the Lehner motors, or we can call it LMT motors 3100. Now let's unbox it. Well, here it is, big guy. So big. Perfect design. There's no any screws on the motor bodies. By the way, this is the second 3100 LMT motors I ever unboxed. finally I opened it. The MGM stickers and the warranty certificate. This is the breaking glass. Now this is the USB connectors. Connect wires. Now let's see the 800 Amp ESC. This is huge, so big. So big. Two big fans. A lot of caps. And these 6 wires. I think these wires may be 6 EWG wires. Now let's compare to other motors and ESCs. First, now let's compare the Castle 2028 censored 800 kV, and this is the Surpass Hobbies. This is called 56 and 112. This is 980 kV. By the way, you can see these motors are at the same length and the same diameters. So let's compare to the LMT 3100. Look at it. The LMT is so long. Now let's weigh these motors. The LMT 3100 is 2115.7 grams. And the Castle 2028 is 1250 grams. So there's a big difference between these motors. Now let's compare to other ESCs. Here I will show you the Castle Member Monster X 8S. Now this is a small ESC, but I think it's perfect for speedy runs because the world's fastest 1/10 and 1/8 gears are all use this ESC. And this is a Hobbywing Max 5. I will show you. This is so small. Now let's weigh this ESC's weight. And this MGM 800 amp ESC is 2050 grams. Oh, this compo is almost the same weight. So all these are 4 kilograms. So big. The world's most powerful combo for RC cars. Perfect. But these are so expensive. By the way, you can see here this red hinge and the screws. Also in the fans, if you lose these screws out of it, then the MGM will not give you a warranty because you disassemble the ESC and maybe you'll change something in it. So there is no warranty. Be careful. Now thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and please make comments down below. And I will see you next time. Bye.